Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohrahman Sohag with you. Now I am telling about how does a circuit breaker works. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. A circuit breaker is an absolutely essential device in the modern world and one of the most important safety mechanism in your home. Whenever electrical wiring in a building has too much current flowing through it, these simplest machines cut the power until somebody can fix the problem. Without circuit breakers, household electricity would be impractical because of the potential for fires and other mayhem resulting from simple wiring problem and equipment failures. Its basic function is to interrupt current flow after a fault is detected. Unlike a fuses, which operates once and then must be replaced, a circuit breaker can be reset either manually or automatically to resume normal operation. A circuit breaker is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by excess current from an overload or short circuit or in no load condition. Operation of circuit breaker. The circuit breaker must first detect a fault condition. In small mains and low voltage circuit breakers, this is usually done within the device itself. Typically, the heating or magnetic effects of electric current are employed. Circuit breakers for larger current of high voltage are usually arranged with protective relay pilot device to sense a fault condition and to operate the opening mechanism. This typically required a separate power source such as battery, although some high voltage circuit breakers are self-contained with current transformers, protective relays and an internal control power source. Once a fault is detected, the circuit breaker contacts must open to interrupt the circuit. This is commonly done using mechanically stored energy contained within the breaker such as a spring or compressed air to separate the contacts. Circuit breaker may also use the higher current caused by the fault of separate the contacts such as thermal expansion or magnetic field. Small circuit breaker typically have a manual control level to switch off the load or reset a tripped breaker, while large unit use solenoid to trip the mechanism and electric motors to restore energy to the springs. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.